So 10 questions weightage in prelims. So the level as mentioned, or you can go with CAT exam questions related or GATE exam related questions. And up to the maybe the report or the analysis what we got, they're asking only quantitative aptitude, not much on reasoning. If you see the sample questions they're given, no, there also it's all about quantitative aptitude questions only there, not from reasoning. More on quant. CAT also you can see more questions from quant you can find. Okay, reasoning it's a different thing in CAT. Okay, you can focus more on quant related stuff. Okay, and 10 questions, which is big weightage for us. And next thing you need to focus is it's almost like fill the blank questions. We can expect fill the blank questions. All are fill the blank questions. Similar to Zoho company. There is one company called Zoho. Okay, where round one it's aptitude, all fill the blanks only they give. No multiple choice questions. So it's similarly there. This is also following max to max, all fill the blank questions only. Right. So and we gathered okay a few questions from CAT exam, few from Zoho company as I referred. They're giving fill the blanks. In Zoho also most they'll focus on quant. There is some questions from reasoning as well. Okay, few we collected from that. So okay, maybe if you attend for these sessions, what are they planned up to 11th, 10th at least, okay, you people may have a chance to crack more. At least you are refreshing the concepts. Whenever you got time, focus more on quant concepts. And okay, when you see here and there, some people said the feedback, they're asking from percentages topic, they're asking from simple interest and compound interest, profit and loss, they're asking, and they're asking questions from permutations and combinations as well. I'm adding those questions also here, permutations and combinations. They're asking questions from problems on trains. So all this related to quant, permutations and combinations, time and distance, TSD we call, time, speed and distance related. Okay. The areas, the focus more on quant. In quant, these topics are important, including time and work, time and work. Right, so we'll see first the sample questions which they given in their website. We'll solve those questions and we'll see similar level what questions can be done. This is the first question which you can find in the portal. This is actually related to Venn diagram concept we can say. 90 people applied for a job as a salesperson for a book publishing company. 10 of the applicants had never worked in the sales or the publishing. 65 had worked in sales at some point and 58 had some background in publishing. How many of the applicants had experience in both sales and publishing? So, as a salesperson for a book publishing company, 90 people applied and 10 never have experience on both of this sales and publishing. Right, so this is we can say total area, one related to sales, one related to publishing. Total area is this. Total how many people apply? 90. And they said 10 don't have any experience on sales and publishing, 10 is out. Now these two circles area is 80 only. Because out of 90, 10 gone, these two should be 80 only. And they said, okay, 65 have experience in sales, 58 have experience in publishing. Now question is, how many have experience in both? What is 65 plus 58? 123, right? But we have 80 only available. If you add directly, no, 123 is there. But we have 80 only available. The gap 43 is what common. Who is having experience in both is 43. 65 plus 58, 123. But available is only 80. Then extra 43 should be common. Means I can add only one among them. So out of 123 we can remove 43. Then 80 is satisfied. So what is that gap is what experience in both. Sometimes they ask you only sales how many people. have experience in only sales. Then what should be your answer? Only sales. Only sales means 22. This entire circle is sales. They may have experience in publishing as well. This is called only sales. Experience in only sales is 22. Here 58, 43, this is 15. Experience in only publishing. Okay, so 43 have both, but 15 have only publishing. Publishing different, only publishing different. Publishing means it may have experience in sales also, we can consider. But only publishing means they don't have sales experience. Okay, only publishing indicates publishing but not sales. 15, right? So, answer for this question, what is the answer? 43. It's a fill the blank question. How many of the applicants had experience in both sales and publishing? 43. Maybe the reason behind why they may not focus on reasoning is, if suppose blood relation, no, answer will be in words. Nephew, niece, okay. Maybe that might be the reason. I think they are giving fill the blank, that's what the idea. We'll discuss few questions from reasoning also in safe side. But if they cannot give it as a fill the blank. Okay, if it is number, no, they can give fill the blank. If it is some word, some people may type father capital F, some people take small f. Putting all that into conditions is not an easy task. Number they can easily do. See this, we said time and work they are asking. They given question from time and work. So what is the question here? One worker can complete a job in 6 days. Second worker can complete the same job in 12 days. If both work together, what is the time taken to complete? Alone they given, together they are asking. Alone is given, together they are asking. So worker 1 can complete the work in 6 days. Worker 2 can complete the work in 12 days. Now they are asking regarding together. This together 4 days. Here we have to take less time. That's one point. More people are there, time taken should be less. The shortcut, if you want to apply, no, when they're given alone, yeah, that's one method. But shortcut, when alone is given, they're asking together means product divided by different summation. Product divided by summation. We have to do. This is the shortcut. When they're given alone, they're asking together means product divided by summation. Denominator will be 18 now. 6 3 times, 3 4 times. This is one method. Or maybe shortcut formula we can say. As they're given alone, they're asking together. If people can apply product divided by summation of that. So what is the original method to apply? The original method here is, as you people mentioned, we have to fix the work. They said they are doing some work. What is the work we have to fix? As usual, we are taking, instead of taking one and all, we'll take LCM for this given values. We got 12. Means I am taking 12 pages typing is your work. We have to type 12 pages in 6 days means first person is typing 2 pages per day. 12 pages in 12 days means he is typing 1 page per day. If both are working together, first person can type 2 pages per day, second person 1 page. Together they can type 3 pages per day. Now what is the time taken is, work is 12 pages. These people can type 3 pages per day, means 4 days. This is one concept. Instead of adding formula, okay, you can apply this. Formula not applicable in all cases. If suppose some people join, some people leave in between, that formula will be not suitable. This concept is helpful for you. First, we need to fix work. You can take work equal to 1 also. That's what textbooks are following. You don't need to take LCM. If you take some value randomly, also you get answer. Work is 120, 24, 55, any value answer will be obtained. But why only LCM is for easy calculations. Next question given is this. Question in website itself they given this. Ram and Shah went to purchase a book from a bookshop. Unfortunately, neither of them had enough money. Now both had some money, okay, to purchase that they don't have enough money. They have some money, but not enough to purchase the book. Okay. Ram realized he was rupees 2 short of the price of the book, while Sham was rupees 24 short of the price. When they put their money together, even they did not have enough money to buy the book. What was the price of the book? I think there may be multiple answers for this. And we'll try. When we use pen and paper, now we may get the answer. Ram and Sham went to purchase a book from a bookshop. Unfortunately, neither of them had enough money. Now both had some money. Okay, let's say Ram is having some amount called A, Sham is having something called B. We consider like A and B, fine. Ram realized that he is having 2 rupees short of the book. Let us say book price is P. Okay, Ram amount is 2 short of the book amount. Whereas Sham is having 24 rupees short is the book amount. And they said A together also they cannot purchase, it's less than price of the book. Think with this what can be done. Yeah, fine, we'll put P here, we'll try what will be happen. A plus S, okay, A is P minus 2, S is P minus 24, it should be less than P, okay, 2P minus 26 is less than P, P is less than 26, answer is 25 it seems. No, wait. P is less than 26. So the price of the book is less than 26. So I can consider that price will be 25 only because Sham is having 24 less than price of the book. See, at this point, a lot of people will leave the question. This is how these people are giving some difficult questions. Don't think Veda IIT is giving some basic questions. No, they are giving next level questions only. They want to shortlist people more. Now, many people, okay, including me, also have a thought initially, I cannot solve the question. But once you start doing, no, here, P less than 26 means, okay, the price of the book can be 25 rupees, 24, 23 and all. But if I take 24, no, Sham is having 0 rupees. If price of the book is 24, Sham is having 0 rupees. But in question they said they have some amount. A and S is greater than 0. A and B is greater than 0. They had some amount. Ram and Sham both have some money. They said not enough to purchase the book, but they have some money. So yeah, I can take P equal to 25. The price of the book is 25. Then Sham is having 1 rupee, whereas this guy Ram is having 23. Now, together 23 plus 1, 24, but book price is 24, that's why they are not able to purchase. Okay, Sham is, this is a, SC, sorry, this is, I have to keep B, right? I put, okay, we consider initially as A and B. This one as B, this one as A. Okay, fine. Okay, so Ram amount is 23 rupees. Sham is having 1 rupee. Together 24. They are not able to purchase the book because book cost is 25. Everything satisfied. This question is different level of question they given. So that's why okay, try to start question in exam also. Don't look into the question and stop. What are the conditions they given? Put it. Then you may got some idea. Initially you may not get. You may got the idea once you solve the things. Fine. See the next question. What they given here. This is as I mentioned. They are asking related to trains questions. So they are given this series once. Question what they given? Train passes a station in 36 seconds and it takes to cross a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. And speed of the train is given. The question is regarding length of the platform. Here two situations are there. So first situation is train is crossing a station. Next situation is train is crossing man standing on platform. Right. So in both cases, I want to know what is the distance, what is the speed, what is the timing. Okay, DST. Okay, what is the distance, what is the speed, what is the timing in this situation. In second one, what is the distance, what is the speed, what is the timing. Distance is speed into time, everyone knows, okay, related to this, but I want this details with respect to this question. Now, see, okay, when train is crossing a station, which is moving, is station moving? Which is moving? Train. So, speed will be speed of the train only. Speed will be considered for the moving object. If it is stationary, speed is zero. So only object moving in this situation when train crossing station, only train is moving. So speed must be speed of the train. In question that is given as 15 meters per second. That is given already. 15 meters per second. Time taken to cross is station is how much? 36 seconds. Okay, let it be. Next is second one. Train crossing a man standing on platform. If a man is standing, speed of the man is zero. Platform speed zero. When train crossing a man standing on platform, what is the speed? Train speed only we should consider, which is 15 meters per second. Time taken to cross that is 20 seconds. That is given in the question. Right. Now, important thing is regarding distance. Regarding distance. Train is crossing a platform. You should consider this is the platform. Train is crossing the man standing on platform. Man is standing. See, whenever they say train is crossing platform or tree or bridge something, you should consider train is exactly in front of that. There is no gap between train and pole. There is no gap between train and bridge. No gap we should consider. When they say train is crossing a pole, we consider train is here. Now timing starts. Okay, it will crosses timing end. In 20 seconds, this happened. Front of the train, it's crossed. This is the back of the train. So here, what's the distance traveled is? Front of the train, it become back of the train. Distance is length of the train. When train crossing a man standing on platform, man length is negligible compared to train length. We should consider only train length. So what is the distance? Is length of the train. So train crossing tree, distance is length of the train only. Train crossing pole, train crossing man standing, man running. Man running also man length is negligible compared to train length. Okay, so distance here is length of the train. Whereas next case, station means platform only, right? So the entire platform comes as a station. Platform length is not negligible compared to train length. In some cases, platform is more than train length, right? So when train crossing a station, now we cannot neglect that. We should consider like this. Train is here, it should cross this. Now first it is crossing the platform or the station, means this is the front of the station, this is the last, so station length is covered, then train length. It is like this, it should go and it should be like this. Here distance traveled is length of the station plus length of the train. So distance is length of the train plus length of platform, sir. Yes, station is having platform only. Okay, so that's entire. This is they we may confuse. At least they need to mention the question. Train passes a platform in 36 seconds. But we can understand station is having platform only. Okay, now this is what the data. Now we need to calculate LP value. Right. So you can use distance equal to speed into time. With that, length of the train is nothing but 300 meters. Is it? Speed is 15. Timing is 20. 300 meters is the length of the train. So why you calculated length of the train? I want length of platform means length of train also required. Here, if you see the first one, length of the train plus length of the platform is the distance. Speed is 15. Timing 36. So 450 and 90, I think we got 540. See, total distance is 540. Among the train length is 300. Platform length is 240 then. Length of train plus length of platform together 540. Train length we know 300. So answer Length of the platform is 5 to 40 meters. 240 meters. So in gate exam, they're giving fill the blanks like this. In this Veda IIT drive also they're asking, okay, fill the blanks. You have fill the blanks in Zoho company. You have fill the blanks in GRE exam. So all these questions most they're asking fill the blank. 240 is your answer. 240 meters. You can search the same question, similar question, GATE 2019, but same question is given, but only one change is train crossing a man running. Second one here, train crossing a man standing, right? But the one change they given in GATE for 2 marks question is a train crossing a station. Next one is train crossing a man running in the same direction. Man speed also they given. Yeah, when man is running, man speed also required. Okay, here only train is running, that's why they have given train speed. That one change they given, and similar question asked is they ask length of the platform only in gate exam for 2 marks. So the standard of this exam is similar to gate. Next question related to percentages. These are the sample questions which we collected from their website. Veda IIT website for the drive. So now see the question here, percentages related stuff. If x is 80% of y, then what percent of 2x is y? See the question, x is 80% of y, then what percent of 2x is y? What should be this is the question. What is the answer? 62.5. Okay. X is 80% of y. Now 2x means 160%, right? 2x is 160%, but they are asking y is what percent of 2x? Your question is what percent of 2x is y? It's indirectly y is what percentage of 2x? They just modified that actually. X is 80% of y, then 2x is 160% of y. Y is what percentage of 2x means y by 2x equal to what? It's not 2x by y. 2x by y is 160. Half means multiplication. Okay, 160% into y. Okay, 2x by y is 160, but they're asking y by 2x is what percentage? What y is what percentage of 2x means we should write y by 2x into 100%. I know 2x by y is 160. Okay, so y by 2x is 1 by 160. Here into 100 percentages will be cancelled. It's like 25 times 20. 8 times. So, no, one moment. One at least we need to convert. Okay. Into 100, anyhow, we need. Again, we need to convert into percentage. 5 by 8. Yeah, as you mentioned, 62.5% is correct. 5 by 8 is nothing but 62.5%. I got fraction, but in terms of percentage, it is 62.5%. I'll give another method. Wait, some people still in dilemma what is happening here. Wait. I'll give simple logic. Okay, maybe this is better understanding. See, the given in question X is 80% of Y. Let us assume this is better for you. If I assume Y is 100 now, then what is X value? If Y is 100, X is 80% of Y means 80. 80% of 100 is 80 only. Now what is 2x? 160. Now question is y is what percentage of 2x? 100 is what percentage of 160? 2x means 160. Y is 100. 100 is what percentage of 160 means 100 divided by 160 into 100. So this 0 cancel. This is for 4 times 425 times. Still here 5 here 2. So we got 125 divided by 2, which is 62.5%. Maybe this is better understanding. Previously I tried in a different way, but I think this is better understanding. X is 80% of Y. I am assuming, sir, why you take an 100? I assume 100. You take Y as 1000, then X will be 800. 2X will be 1600. Then answer will not change. 1000 divided by 1600. Cancelling will come. Okay, finally you get 62.5% only. It seems very easy question, single line question, but people will confuse. As they fill the blank, no, you don't have any confirmation of what is the correct answer. If you got some answer that is in the options, we may got some confidence. Yeah, our procedure is correct, but options are not given. Then things are a bit difficult, right? So 62.5% is the answer. See the next question if you are okay with this. Hope you are understanding this one. Right. Let's see the next question. This is actually a question given from Zoho. I'm open. First five questions is from Veda IIT website. Okay, they given sample questions. But this Zoho level is okay. Also, they give next level questions and all fill the blanks. I collected this question from Zoho. Okay, this equivalent level to Veda IIT only. So now they are asking 3, 8, 13, so on up to x. The result should be 3080. What is the x value is the question. X value is what is the question. Options, no options. Fill the blank question. Find x value. Yeah, people will say it may be ending with 3, ending with 8, 7. But what is that ending with what? Is it 1008 or is it 508 or what? Or 503 or okay, I know. Because every number 3, 8, 30, next is 18, 23, 25 by difference. So ending with 3 or ending with 8. Fine, but what is that last? X value. Seems very simple for you. When see this question, you may think, yes, I can solve. But when you try, finding X is important. They're not asking how many number of terms. Here, some questions they'll ask you how many number of terms like this should be added to get 3080. But that is also not asking here. They're asking something else. Yeah. What is X value? These terms are in AP, arithmetic progression. Terms common difference is 5. It is in arithmetic progression. Agreed. Then what is next step? We have to find X. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, it's a progression only. But how we are finding it? Yeah. Fine, but two unknowns is there, right? N is there, X is there. Problem here is okay, you know, sum of terms in AP formula is number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term is what sum of terms. You may have some other formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That's not required. That formula developed from this concept. I just want to give that input before going for this question. How you got that formula also I just give you a basic idea. Okay, suppose you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Right? Is this in AP? Terms are in AP, right? Okay. What is 5 plus 30? 10 plus 25? 15 plus 20? 35. How many such pairs? 3 pairs. 35 into 3 is 105. This is sum of terms. Let you understand this, how we written 35 into 3? 35 the first term plus last term 35 or second term or last before or middle to 35 35. We have three such things. Now from this basic, you know, that formula is developed actually. You have some formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? How that formula came now? See, how many terms here? Here, 5, 10, 15. How many terms? 6 terms. But I can 3 is nothing but number of terms divided by 2. I taken only 3. What is that 35, you know? First term plus last term, right? What is first term in AP? A. Last term is nth term in AP, which is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is what the formula you know from your childhood. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That came from the concept like this. Number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. That is actually sufficient. What is sum of n natural numbers formula? Sum of n natural numbers formula? N into n plus 1 by 2, right? How you got that formula? You know, is it in AP or not? Natural numbers are in AP or not? How many numbers? N terms, n by 2. What is first term? Last term? 1 plus n is nothing but n plus 1. That's no formula developed. Same concept only. Okay, n by 2 in n into n plus 1 by 2 is from this concept only. It's in AP. Number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay. See, some of you people saying that, sir, we can do equation formed, but here two unknowns are there. N is unknown, X is also unknown. Two unknowns in one equation, not possible. Then you have, yeah, fine, you can do one more thing. No, X is called nth term. This is nth term or last term. X can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. A is nothing but 3 n minus 1 into 5, which is 5n minus 2. Now you can put that, you will get n value, from that you have to find x value. Okay, see that. You have to find n value now. N into 3 plus x equal to 6160. X value is 5n minus 2. If you put that here, no, the entire internal expression is 5n plus 1. 5n plus 1. So n into 5n plus 1 equal to 6160. You need to calculate n value. Okay, then we have to find x value. Calculate n value, we have to solve that quadratic equation. I was roughly do some trial and error. I got something like 100, I am thinking. If suppose n is 100 now, 100 into 501, n value 100 into 501 will be more. Right, so by 50,000 something, its n value is not 100 like that. N is 35. Okay. Okay. N value 135 people are saying, and they got x n value 35, and if people are saying x value is nothing but 173. We know ending with 3 or ending with 8, we got ending with 3, 173. Fine. Other thing what you can do, you can try last term as 200, 203. This is one method, standard method, forming equation solving and all. Other thing is like guessing. Like let it be x is 203. My answer is more than 3000 or less than 3000. More than 3000 means I need to change x value. You can do that trial and error also. You can try in that fashion also. That's one good idea. You can always check. Yeah, but this is the expression. You are fine. You got n value. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You apply that. Okay, we got sum of terms. N value from that. This is a quadratic equation you need to solve. And don't worry about the time duration. Okay, there I think for you 30 questions 60 minutes, right? So you have each question 2 minutes also, you can spend nothing issue. So you can solve, time limit is not big. But you need that methodology or mindset. Fine, see the next question. Yeah, back to the time and work. We discussed already one question in time and work. Now one more question here. A and B can complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days, B had to leave and A alone complete the remaining work. The question is the whole work was completed in dash days. What is the time taken to complete the entire work? A can complete the work in 15 days, B can complete the work in 10 days. They started working together, but after 2 days, B had to leave and A alone need to complete the work. Okay. The whole work was completed in how many days is the question? Right. So we discussed one question in today's session, but that's a very basic question where they given alone, they are asked it together. I think this is a very basic question. We use some shortcut form also. But this methodology is required to handle this question. I given two methods because of that. This is a standard method which we can apply. Let us see, okay, how to solve this question. This is very practical thing. Like suppose two people started a business. Okay, maybe alone they can do, or else maybe you have to perfect it. A alone can do it in 15 days, or B alone can do that in 10 days. But together they started after 2 days, some health issue, B left. Then how much time taken by A alone to complete? This is a very practical question and excellent question from time and work. This is. Now let us see the approach, what can be done. A can complete the work in 15 days. If A only then B can complete the work in 10 days. So guys, see, listen. Okay, in this question they are not given what is the work to be done. A can complete the work in 15 days, B can complete the work in 10 days, but what is that work is not given. Then we have freedom to consider the work. They are doing some work, they not mentioned what is that work. We can assume that work. So how to take the work? You can take any value. Suppose work is eating 30 chocolates, eating 30 bananas, or reading 30 pages, or writing 30 pages, or typing 30 pages. You can consider any work. Not only 30, textbooks are taking one, but that is difficult to do calculations. You can take some other value, any value, but one also get the answer. Any value you take as work, you will get the answer. Work is X pages also you take, you will get the answer. X also you will get the answer. But for easy calculations, no, which is preferably you have to take LCM for 15 and 10, which is 30. So why LCM? For easy calculations. How, sir? See, I take in LCM, I got 30, right? See, 30 pages, 15 days means A is typing 2 pages a day. 30 pages 10 days means B is typing 3 pages per day. If suppose instead of 30, I taken 20, let us say. If I taken 20 now, 20 pages 15 days means what he is doing per day is a confusion value. Some decimals will come, fraction will come. That is why I said LCM is preferable. Calculation will be easy. Because if it is 30, then it is easy for 2 pages per day. In textbooks, we are taking 30 is one page you are typing in 15 days is everything 1 by 15. 1 by 15 doing calculations is difficult. Okay, LCM is only for easy calculation purpose. You can take X pages also, still you will get the answer. Now, okay, fine. Now what is the situation now? Together, A and B both started the work. Then B left the job. Into means B left the job. A only going to complete the work. What is the total work? What is our work here? 30 pages is the work to be done. Right. Whether one person doing or two persons doing, work is 30 pages. Initially, who are there? A and B is there for how many days? 2 days. If A is there, how much he can type? A can type 2 pages per day. B can type 3. Together, 5 pages they can type per day. But how many days are available? 2 days means 5 into 2, 10 pages completed. What is the pending work? 20 pages. Who should do that? A. A can type 2 pages per day. Then how much time required? 20 by 2, 10. Now listen, after doing all this, no, people are ending with wrong answer. See, my question is, what is the time, remaining time, or what is the time taken to complete the remaining work? Then what is your answer? I repeat, what is the time taken to complete the remaining work? 10 days. How much more time required to complete the work? 10 days. What is the time taken to complete the remaining work? Because 10 pages of work is completed. For remaining work, the time taken is 10 days. Or sometimes they ask same question like, how much more time is required to complete the work? Already you taken 2 days. How much more time is required to complete the work? 10 days. The other question is, what is the total time taken to complete the work? 12 days. The whole work is completed in how many days? 12 days. Yeah, the question is the whole work is completed in dash days. So answer 12. Some people will mark 10 after all this hard work. So please see what they are asking. The remaining work is completed in dash days means 10. Remaining work is how many days? How much more time to complete the remaining work? Or how much more time is required? 10 days. Whole time, whole work or total time taken means 12 days is your answer. So this is one topic called time and work. Okay, important topic in any competitive exam. Quantity aptitude is there, quantity is there. The time and work you can take it granted. Max to max you can find a question from this topic. Time and work. Next, they said it's a puzzle, but it's not puzzle. It's actually foundation combination topic. James Bond and you are playing a puzzle game. Okay. Uha Bond. Fine. So James Bond Uha is not that. Imagine. So James Bond asked you to form as many words as possible with the word taxes. So if you taxes, how many letters are there? 5 letters. Generally, if they don't give any condition of 5 factor 120. With or without meaning, they don't see. With meaning is they ask in English because that should be a meaningful word. Here they're not giving us words means when meaning or without meaning, no problem. 5 letters, 5 factor 120, okay. But here 120 is not correct. They're given some condition. Only rule is vowels should not be together. If there is no rule, 5 different letters, 5 factor 120 is your answer. But they added a rule. Now, without breaking the rule, how many words can be done? Vowels cannot be together. Listen, if suppose they give 5 boys, 5 girls, boys not together, girls not together, the question also saying like this. Here I have vowels and consonants. Vowels are not together. Means first I have to arrange consonants. If boys and girls are there, girls not together means first you have to arrange boys. In between them you have to girls, automatically girls are not together. If they say girls not together means so when boys and girls are there, girls not together means first you put boys. Okay, how many ways we can arrange them? Then in between gaps, okay, if you put girls, no, girls are never together. That is automatically done. So here what they said vowels not together. What are the consonants? T, X are vowels are here, E. First we have to arrange these three. Three letters how many ways? Not 3 ways, 3 factorial. 3 factorial ways. 6 ways, yeah. What is that 6 if you want to know? I'll give the list also. TXR, TRX, XTR, XRT, RTX, RXT. Some people are waiting for RX 100 here. No, we don't get. Okay, we don't have a number here. Right, so 3 factorial, we got only 6. Next thing, fine. I take one among that combination. I got 6, right? I'll take it like RTX. Now, listen. Here, one place, two place, three place. I have 4 places. In that 4 places, anywhere you keep the girls are vowels. Vowels are not together. So your vowels are B and A and E. If you keep the vowels in those gaps, no, so they are not together obviously. So now, first vowel, how many places is chances? A can be here, A can be here, A can be here, A can be here. 4 chances for A. Suppose A is taken this place. Then E is having, you put anywhere A and E are not together. Means also not together. So next E is having 3 slots. So that's what 6 into 12, which is 72. 72 votes with or without meaning. That is not meaningful votes because RTX or RTX, there is no such vote may be available. So 6 into 12, 72. How many meaningful votes? Next one, master buys 40 hats for the rate of 36 hats from a shopkeeper. If master sold those hats with a 1% discount, then what is his profit in percent? See this question, everyone read it. Master buys 40 hats for the rate of 36 hats from the shopkeeper. Means he got 4 hats as a free. Okay, he paid only for 36, he got 40. Fine. Okay. Then he sold those hats with a 1% discount. Right? Then what is his profit percentage? What's the answer? What is his profit percentage? Good question, thinking related question. It's not like basically reading your past prices, quantity, selling prices, and this is nothing like that. There is a lot you can learn in this question. Fine. See, observe this. Let us listen. Let us consider one hat cost is 100 rupees. Let us assume one hat is 100. Means 40 hats should be actually for what price? 4,000. I am taking one hat price is one hat price is 100 rupees. Means 40 hats means 4,000 is the cost. Right. But he paid only 36 hours cost means 3600. So the amount he spent for purchasing 40 hours is 3600. Okay. Or maybe 90 rupees for one. This 3600 is how many hours? 40 hats cost. So one hat cost is 90 per hat. Okay, originally cost is 100 rupees, but you purchase for 90. Okay, now this one is giving 1% discount. Means you are selling 99 rupees per hat. Is it profit or loss? You purchase for how much? 90. You are selling for 99. Why how 99 came there? 1%. 1% discount. For 100 rupees, 1% means 1 rupee less. So 90 rupees is the cost price. Selling price is 99. Profit is 9, but they want percentage. Profit percentage is calculated on what? What is profit percentage? Yeah, profit or loss both from CP. First, what you do with respect to that? You purchase, then only you will sold. So, whether it is profit or loss, both should be calculated with respect to CP only. 10% profit. I assume the one half equal to 100 rupees. We assume. Percentages, profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest. Assumptions is more powerful. Okay. This question can be done in a different way, but it will take more time. If you assume no, okay, then it's easy. The original cost is 100, but you purchase for 90 rupees and you are selling it for 99. Obviously, that they given already in the question profit. You have to calculate percentage will be already given it's a profit. Yeah, you can see that also clearly there is a profit. This is a different question which you don't find in any textbooks because they given a good sentence. 40 hats you purchase at the rate of 36 hats from the shopkeeper. That's good question. And you are giving 1% discount. If it is 10% discount, what will happen? No profit, no loss. If you give 10% discount on 90, you purchase for 90, you are selling for 90, no profit, no loss will be happening. This question, I think everyone can give the answer easily. Yeah. So first, this they written from back to front simple. 3156 9327 225. Better is that. I know swapping and all okay, but instead of that reading from back to front is what they have. Last to first. Okay, so 3156 9327. Or you can say the 39, then it has 93 reverse. 72, then it has 27 reverse. That's also all same meaning, you got same answer only. But my simple logic is last to first, the writing in reverse. See this question? Again, fill the blank question. A chemical contains A and B in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of component B is added to the chemical, then the ratio will be 4:5. Okay, what is the quantity of component A in the given chemical? A and B chemical is 4:3. Now 5 liters of B is added, the ratio becomes 4:5. Right. What is the quantity of component A in the given chemical? I can give one equation solving and all, but directly also people can attack. You can solve the question very easily. See, what is the ratio initially? 4 is to then it becomes 4 is to 5. Which is changed there? B. Oh, that's the ratio also in B only changed. 3 become 5. In ratio 3 become 5 means how much increase? 2 increase. But originally 5 liters increase. 2 represent 5 liters in ratio. Here 4 represent 10 liters. Answer is 10. Complete. What is A component 4, right? You said 2 means 5 liters, 4 means 10 liters, obviously. Answer is 10. I'll give you the, okay, my approach is, I'll give other approach also. See, what is my point here is very simple. Okay, initially A and B, 4:3. Next A and B dash, because B you added. A not changed, B you added, it become 4:5. What is A in both cases? 4. B is 3 to 5. In ratio, it is increased by 2. In normal sentence, they said B added 5. This means this 2 represents in ratio 2 means 5 liters. Here, what is A? In ratio 4, it's 10 liters, right? When 2 represent 5, 4 represent 10. So 10 liters. Directly we can say. No, sir, I am not understanding. We have LKG method. 4:3 means 4K and 3K. Then here they said 4K divided by 3K plus 5 liters equal to 4 by 5. Are you understanding this one? This is 6th standard. If you're not okay, we'll go for LKG then. We went back one step. 4K, 3K, why? 4:3 initially. A and B are 4 is to 3 means 4K and 3K. Okay. Then why? What is this one? New ratio 4 is to 5. A is there for B 3K. For B how much added? 5 liters added, then it is 4 by 5. Cross multiply, what is the 16, 20K and 12K. 8K is 20. Okay, don't calculate K again. I want 4K value. A is 4K, right? So when 8K is 20, 4K is 10 liters. That is what this method. This is the other method. One directly. This is the other method in equation. 4 is to 3. B added. Yeah, I am adding for B only 5 liters. Understand this expression, dear. Okay, 4K divided by 3K plus 5. Why we written as 4 by 5? This question. So what is the answer? 30. Okay. So this question actually I picked from Zoho company. Zoho company, the origin is Chennai. Okay, so that's why you can see they use the word Tamil, right? So they definitely put those things. So fine, there is a question. They what they given here? Twice as many marks in Tamil as in history. I have like t equal to 2h or h equal to 2t. Twice as many marks in Tamil as in history. Is it t equal to 2h or h equal to 2t? H equal to 2t. Twice as many marks in Tamil as in history. T equal to 2h is. More, say, you at least understand Tamil, they got more marks. That sentence meaning that makes sense. Okay, you got more marks in Tamil. His total marks in all these three is 180. Okay. Tamil and science 2 is to 3 means it is 2K and 3K. Okay. And obviously history will be equal to K. History is the Tamil by 2 which is equal to K. This is Tamil. This is science. Right. So all three together K plus 2K plus 3K 180. K equal to 30. They're asking history means K, 30 only. In Tamil, they got 60, history is 30, science 90. Okay, good. See the next one. They're asking related to geometry stuff, so please focus on geometry as per Veda you will be concerned. The total area of circle and a square is equal to 5540. The diameter of circle is given. What is the sum of the circumference of the circle and the perimeter of the square? See this question. Total area of circle pi r square plus a square is 5450 and diameter is 70 means radius is 35. Then what is pi into r square is 22 into 5 into 35 which is 110 into that is 3850 means 1600 is what a square a equal to 40. So side of the square we got and radius is we got. Now the question is sum of the circumference of the circle and perimeter of the square. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r plus 4a is what they are asking. Now question is regarding this. 2 pi r, 2 into 20 to 44 into 5 which is 220 plus 160 which is 38. Option C, 38 is the answer. This is regarding two-dimensional stuff. They may ask for three-dimensional also. Circle, square, areas combined is given. They given diameter, you can calculate radius from that area of circle you can find. Then area of square, then side of the side square, then you can go ahead. Geometry, simple interest, compound interest also they are asking. We have a question related to simple interest, compound interest also. This is the next one. I think this one you people can handle. We discussed already similar thing. What you have, speed you have, timing you have, you need to calculate length is distance. When train is crossing a pole, distance is length of the train only. We discussed, okay, in today's session itself, train crossing a pole, train crossing a map, train crossing a tree, that is negligible, so the distance is length of the train. Length of the train, speed 60, timing is in seconds, distance is in meters, you need to convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. 5 by 18 is extra, try to understand why that. 5 by 18 kilometer per hour is there, we need to convert it to meter per second. Options are in meters, timing is in seconds. That will clearly give the idea. So 150 is the answer. Yeah, this can be given as fill the blank. What is the length of the train in meters? 150. Previous one also they can give fill the blank. What is the perimeter in centimeters? We have to give previous one. Okay, also like that. Fill the blank. When this number, they can give fill the blank. Now again, time and distance, but this is bit next level question. Let us see how many of we can solve this. Yeah, this question equivalent. Two trains cross each other in 14 seconds. Opposite direction. Okay. The faster train is 160-meter long, crosses a lamp post in 12 seconds. If the speed of the other train is 6 km per hour less than the faster one, its length in meters is what? Now, see this question, okay, what they want to convey. See, when train is crossing a bridge, what is the distance you said? Train is crossing a bridge. Length of the train plus length of the bridge. When one train is crossing another train, no. When it is opposite direction, same direction, distance is length of train plus length of train 2. See, this is two parallel tracks. They have to cross each other. When both are moving, you may not understand. Freeze this. Now this train is crossing this train. Length of train 2. Then length of train 1. So when two trains cross each other, whether it is same direction or opposite direction also, distance is length of train 1 plus length of train 2. Speeds, opposite direction speeds means both are moving. S1 plus S2 plus opposite direction. It will take less time to meet. When time takes less, speed must be more. When you travel opposite direction of one from Hyderabad to here, from one of you from here to okay, Secunderabad you are traveling. Okay, opposite directions you can meet in between. Less time to meet. Okay, so that's what you can go. Like first case, timing is 14 seconds, but distance is L1 plus L2 equal to speed S1 plus S2. Timing is 14 seconds. Length of train 1 plus length of train 2. Distance in first case. When two trains cross each other, distance are L1 plus L2. Opposite direction means speeds must be added. And timing they given as 14. Distance is speed into time. Next, what is the next case now? Faster train. Let us take, okay, S1 is the faster train. And taking, see, S1, S2, two are there. And taking S1 is the faster train, S1. So, first train is 160 meters long, means L1 is 160. Crossing the pole or post in 12 seconds means what is the speed? Speed is distance by time, right? Okay, train is crossing a pole means distance is length of the train divided by time taken, which is 40, okay, 44, 440 times 40 by 3 meters per second. Sir, what is this 160 divided by 12? There are two trains. I am taking first one is the faster train. They said the train crossed the pole, okay, in 12 seconds, and the train has this 160 meters. They said when train crosses the pole, means distance is length of the train. Timing they given. Speed will be distance by time. Distance 160 meters is the distance. Timing is 12 seconds they given. We'll get the speed. So S1 I know 40 by 3. What they said S2 speed of the other train is 6 kilometers per hour less than this. So see this is meters per second. 6 kilometers per hour is that is different unit. I try to multiply with 5 by 80. Why 5 by 80? First one is meters per second. Okay, second one also I want meters per second. Subtracting directly 6 is not correct. So yeah, divide by 3, 40 minus 5, 35 by 3 meters per second. So see, in the first equation, you got L1, you got S1, you got S2. We have L2 to calculate. I think we can do. First equation, 160 plus L2. You need to calculate second time length only. 160 plus, yeah, some people are saying 190. Okay, we'll check. Put all these things in that first equation. 160 plus L2 equal to S1 is 40 by 3, S2 75, 35 by 3. So adding we got like this into 40. Now this 3 will go there, 480. Okay, dividing by 3, right? So I think we can directly divide 25. So this is 250 plus 100, 350. L2 will be 190, it seems. Any calculations? Still, I think it's correct only. 25 into 40, 250 plus 100, 350. L1 160, L2 will be 190 obviously. 190 is the answer. Check it out this. This equation you need to understand. Distance is speed into time. Distance when two trains are crossing each other in the parallel tracks means L1 plus L2. As these opposite direction speeds are added, the given timing is 40. And they given the question L1 is 160. You need to calculate L2. S1 speed is given in the question indirectly. S2 can be obtained from that S1. Y into 5 by 18, you understand why that minus. They said in the question, slow other train speed is 6 kilometers per hour less than the faster one. Fast one speed is 40 by 3. This is 6 kilometers per hour less than. We're converting into meters per second and then subtracting. Okay, now next question. Permutations and combinations. Let us see how many of you can crack this. It's not permutation, combination also, I can say it's a basic thing. How many three-digit numbers are greater than 100 and increased by 192 when the three digits are arranged in the reverse order? See, we have some three-digit number. Greater than 100 means yes. Okay, we have the clear three-digit number. Greater than 100. How many such numbers are there? If you add 198, no, the result should be reversed. This is what I mean to say. ABC is a three-digit number. Add 198. The result should be CBA. Are you understanding that? How many such ABC numbers are there? How many such three-digit numbers are there? We have a three-digit number. Add 198. Then the result should be reverse. Reverse order. How many such numbers are exist is the question. After adding 198, the result should be reversed. The result also finish it only. The result also finish it only. Adding 198. Don't say answers in 900. No. 900 adding 198 will be 1000. I don't get 3 digit number. They want only up to 3 digit. How many are there? Now listen. Here, B is in tens place, C is in units place, A is in hundreds place. What I mean to say, suppose 243 is there. Can I write this as 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1? What is this all adding? 200 plus 40 plus 3 is 243 only. Same thing. 2 is in hundreds place. I can write 2 into 100. 4 is in tens place. 4 into 10. 3 is in units place. 3 into nothing wrong. Now, if we do that here, no, 100A plus 10B plus C plus 190 equal to 100C plus 10B plus A. 10B cancel. Okay. This is 99A minus 99C equal to, okay, plus 198, or else, wait. 198 will keep it here. We'll send this to other side. 99C. 100C minus C is 99C. This 100A will go to that side, minus 100A minus 99A equal to 198. Means C minus A must be equal to 2. That's the only condition here. If C and A have two difference, no, adding 198, your result will become reverse. I'll give one example. That's what we got the expression. If you have doubt, no. Okay. First, if you have doubt, what you can do? Okay. A, B, C. B can be anything. Only condition C and A difference should be 2. Guys, check it out. I am taking 3 and 5. Is C and A difference 2? Okay. Now, B value take anything. Add 198. You check it out. The result is 503. You take 315 also, 325 also. Add 198, will get 520. C minus A difference must be equal to 2. Now, how many such numbers are possible? Question is that. Okay, now let me know A, B, C. A and C can be 1 and 3. A and C can be 2 and 4. 3 and first 5 all possible. So it's 3 and 5. Next 4 and 6. Next 5 and 7. Next 6 and 8. Next 7 and 9. But yeah, two numbers difference should be 2. That to C minus A is 2. Now, but B, don't go beyond 8 or 9 like that. Okay. When you go for 8 and 9, no, what will happen if you have 190, it will be a 46 number. When it takes 7 and 9, also problem is what? If it takes 7 and 9, okay, let us say I take 799 or 709, adding 198, right? So 709, adding 198, what will happen? 9 plus 8 is 7. We got this 0, 1 here. 907. 7 and 9 also allowed. We'll take 799 plus 198. 9 plus 8, 7 still, yes. 9, yeah, I think 7 and 9 also. 7 and 9 also. But beyond this, if you go ahead, then what is next one? 8, 2 digit 10 is not allowed. I want only digits. So here 1 to 7 and middle B can be anything. B you take any value from 0 to 0 to 9, any values allowed for B. So 7 into 10, 70 is the answer. I'll show the entire scenario. So 5 and 7, 6 and 8, 7 and 9. So 7 into 10, 70 is the answer. What is the 10? Why the 10? What that indicates? B. B you can take anything from 0 to 9. 103, 130. Okay, it means I need to say 103, 113, 123, like that up to 193. You add 198, the result will be reversed. See that 70 is the answer here. This is the next level question. Try to check it out. What they given. 3-digit number adding 198. The result should be reversed. What are the digit number you taken? Okay, then how many such numbers are possible is the question. Next time, no, they will do instead of 198, you have to have 99 only. Then it should be reversed. How many such are possible? Then ask like that also. Right, that may be different questions. So see this, are you getting idea how to solve this? I hope you understand C minus A is 2, right? And how you got 70 is important. We're taking C minus A 2 all combinations. We got 7 combinations. Okay, where A and C are fixed. B can be changed from 0 to 9. This is A and C fixed. B can be from 0 to 9. So 7 into 10, 70. This is also next level question. You can appreciate yourself if you are able to solve this question. You can feel happy if you are solving this question. Sum of the numbers in the 15th group. You can start programming for this also. When I give the question, you need to write the program for this also. This type of questions can be given for programming. I'll say some group. Okay, you need to find some of the group numbers. First group 1, second group 2, 3, 4, third group is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, fourth group, fifth group like that. I want 15th group sum of the values of the 15th group. First of all, I have to know what is the 15th group, then we have to find what is the sum of that. That's need logic here. Everybody work on this question, please. Excellent question. First group, second group is having 3 numbers. Third group is having 5 numbers. Next group, how many numbers? 7. So starts from 10, ends at 16. Next group, right? First group, second group, third group, fourth group. Now you want which group? 15th group. Okay. 15th group, how many numbers will be there? Doubt. Okay, fine. But fine. What is the ending number of 15th group, starting number of 15th group? What is this last number? Here last number. Here last number. Here last number 1. First group last number is 1 square. Second group last number is 2 square. Third group last number, fourth group last number 4 square. 15th group last number 225. Can you answer what the first number now? 197. Because previous group is 14th group, right? Previous group last number is 196, right? This is 15th group is previous one is 14th group. 14th group, that's why I said question is what? Making some logic in your mind. Now, this is okay. Now, what is the question? Sum of these numbers. Sum of this group numbers. Now, today's session itself, we created one formula. Is this in AP or not? Is this numbers are AP or not? AP, arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, what is sum of terms? Number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. So how many terms are there? 20. 9. Okay. You can easily sense that here, second group, 3 numbers. Double minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1. This group, third group, right? 3 doubles. 3 2 times. 6 minus 1, 5 elements are there. Fourth group, 7 elements are there. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 15th group, 52s are 30. Minus 1, 29 elements will be there. There are many ways of understanding. It's all up to you. So yeah, odd numbers only. 1, 3, 5, 7, like that we need to go. Okay. But now you calculate that. 29. Here if I give 3, no, this is 200 means divide by 200. Here I give already 3 means this is triple 1. So 211 into 29. And my answer should end with 9. See, when options is there, no, we can go like this. Units place. 9 into 1, 9. Ending with 9, only one answer available. Ending with 1. Sir, how you return 100 here? I taken 3 from 225, given to this 200. I had taken 3, given this 200. 200 divided by 2 is 100. Here, triple 2 divided by 2, triple 1. You can do your own style. Okay, but at the end, okay, don't go for hardcore multiplications. When options are given, you see the units place also. That's one logic. Now I'll ask ninth group, what is the sum of the values? While check your okay books and all. So group for ninth group. I want ninth group sum of the values. So ninth group summation, the answer is nothing but 1 to 4 1. So ninth group. So it's 17 terms divided by 2 into 65 plus 81. Those who do, okay, you got 1 to 4. Let's see the next one. Yeah, this is a different question. Simple interest and compound interest. In fact, compound interest only. Let me check how many of you are able to solve this question. All of you are done with simple interest, compound interest topic already. Now I am asking question related to compound interest. Anil invests some money at a fixed rate of interest. What is this meaning? Fixed rate of interest means every year rate of interest is same. 10% is every year, 10%, 10% is the fixed rate of interest. Compounded, we know compounded half yearly, quarterly, they give it here annually. Okay. Second year interest is 806.25. Third year interest is 866.72. Then what is the fourth year interest? Interest for second year is 806.25. Interest for third year. Now what is the compound interest for fourth year? Question is not for 4 years. Compound interest for fourth year is different. 4 years is different. 4 years means first year, second year, third year, fourth year all adding. But here they particularly given compound interest for second year, compound interest for third year. Now we have to calculate compound interest for fourth year. Every year rate of interest is same. Every year they said rate of interest is same. So what's the answer? Compound interest for fourth year. I given options also. Here what they want to convey, here what are the increase is there, same increase is here also. Fixed rate of interest they mentioned. So here what are increase happen, same increase will happen here as well. Not amount, percentage increase. Suppose here 10% increase, here also 10% increase. Here 5% increase means here also 5% increase. So question given in CAT exam. This is CAT exam question. This Veda IIT people are giving questions related to CAT level as well. We collected CAT exam questions, gate questions, Zoho different exams, different concepts. Now competitors for 14 is what? Yeah. So we'll show you using calculator also. Right, listen, okay, no need of any formula also. The simple thing is, suppose here it is double, next also it should be double. As I mentioned, fixed rate of increase every year. Here if this factor is double now, if it is double, here also double. Here it is 1.5 times means here also 1.5 times. So what is the increase happened here you calculate? Same increase should be applied here. Okay, what is the increase happened if you want to know that factor? Your result is 86.72, 806.25 become this one. So this is the increase. So same thing I have to multiply here. 866.72 divided by 806.25. No need of percentage also. Whatever the factor is, suppose double means here double. There triple means here triple required. But it is not double or triple, there some increase is there. Whatever increase is there, that should be applied here. So I can say 866.72 divided by 806.25. This is actually 1.075 increase. 1.075 times. So yeah, 1.075 times. Means I should multiply this with 1.075 times. Then that's what your answer. 866.72 into 1.075 times. 931.724. So that's what 931.7. Or else I'll give the method. See, other method may be what we discuss in your regular classes. One method to solve this question without any concept is whatever increase happen here, same increase should be happen there. But some people are still worrying. But listen, I'll give the other method. One moment. See this other method, which is definitely you can learn some inputs. See, during your regular classes, what we discussed, no? Compound interest for second year is how much? 806 point. Compound interest for third year, 866.72. Listen, if you recall, compound interest for third year is second year plus some percentage increase. Suppose if it is 10%, no, 10% of this will add. If it is 10%, 10% of that should be added. Then we got this compound interest for third year. How to get compound interest for fourth year is third year plus some percentage increase. They said this percentage is same. The percentage, the fixed rate of interest. Interest is nothing but increase only. Now, how much extra this is? 806.25 become 866.72 means 60.47. So 60.47 you got from this means you have to calculate what is that percentage. 60.47 divided by 806.25 into 100. If you do know, this is 7.5% approximately. Then same 7.5% I have to add. Then adding you will get 931.72. 7.5% of this you need to add. Same percentage increase is required. 65.04 I need to add. So if we add 65.04, then this is what your answer. 7.5 percentage is the increase. Actually, they can ask this question also, dear. What is the rate of interest also they can ask in exam? What is the rate of interest is 7.5 percentage. Interest is increased by 60.47 from 806.25. The rate of interest is 7.5%. If you calculate this now, we will get 7.5%. And this is excellent question related to geometry concept. And okay, I think so far geometry not discussed for you. I think you have a good learning now. What is the area of hexagon formula? Area of hexagon formula. Now you are going to learn. At least that's one advantage with this question. Area of hexagon. See, listen, whether it is hexagon or trapezium or rhombus or anything, for two-dimensional diagrams, if you know the area of rectangle formula from the parallelogram, triangle, okay, hexagon, anything can be obtained. Okay. Here I am taking triangle. See, hexagon. If you check it out now, I am drawing a diagram for hexagon. If it not looks like that, also you consider it. Okay, so fine. Consider this is a hexagon. Now I take a center point. Okay, if you draw a diagram properly, it is actually having six triangles, equilateral triangles. What is area of hexagon? If side is A, area of hexagon is 6 times area of equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle formula? Is A square root 3 divided by 2. This is area of hexagon formula. Okay, but here the question is different. Hexagon area, triangle area, both are equal. Then under triangle, each side is 12. Then what will be the side, each side of hexagon is the question. Right now, you know hexagon formula is what? Area of hexagon is 6 a square root 3 divided by 4. Equilateral triangle formula, area a square, but a is 12 here. See, don't confuse. This equilateral triangle is having side is a. This one formula. This equilateral triangle is having side is a. But this equilateral triangle side is 12. So 12 square root 3 divided by 4. Why both are equated is, let's say area of hexagon equal to area equilateral triangle with side 4 centimeters. Area of equilateral triangle formula s square root 3 divided by 4. S square root 3 divided by 4, where s is the side. Here s is 12, so 12 square root 3 by 4. Here side of this triangle is a square root 3 becomes. So 4 4 cancel, root 3 get cancel. Okay, a square is 12 square divided by 6. 144 divided by 6, which is nothing but 24. A equal to, we can write 4 into 6, 2 root 6. Yeah, they given like that options only, don't worry. 3 root 6, 2 root 6, like that they given. This is also CAT exam question. Question given in CAT exam. The level of Veda IIT recruitment is equal to CAT exam. So we pick the questions from CAT and we are discussing that questions as well. So area of particular hexagon is this. This is all set of questions related to quant. We discussed around 20 questions, one related, couple of questions related to geometry, one related to simple interest and compound interest, one related to combinations, and one question we discussed, two or three questions related to time and distance. And we have here geometry, ratios, different concepts we try to recall. On safe side, we are discussing few questions from reasoning. Yeah, before that, this is one more question. Class B has 50% more students than Class A. Number of girls in Class A is equal to number of boys in Class B. See, this question, listen, this question is given in CAT exam. Okay, but this year, 2024, Gate exam also, same question is there. Instead of A and B, they use other mode. Same similar question they given in gate. Gate people also they will get old CAT paper questions like that, questions from modification they have. So class B has 50% more students than class A. If anybody is like super duper in one, then please take CAT exam. Solve one full CAT exam paper, then I like your super duper CAT. So one CAT exam will be used. Any concept, at least concept wise also you can find. And good in profit classes, take CAT exam questions in profit class. The difficult test in form 86 is more difficult in form CAT exam. Okay, CAT will be highest level of difficulty. But for play, okay, for gate exam, what they do in CAT, easier moderate questions they pick and give. For placements also in CAT, easier moderate they pick and give. Not difficult questions, they are giving easier moderate. So CAT is for one purpose. CAT exam is for one purpose. MBA in IIMs like gate exam, which is to entry to MTech in IITs and IITs like that. If you want to go for high level, okay, management schools, okay, to do MBA, you need to go for CAT exam. You can write our state-wise exams also to get into MBA local colleges, but if you want to get universities or IITs or NITs, okay, IIM, sorry, IIMs, okay, then you have to go for this. Yeah, so what's your answer now? Number of girls in class A equal to number of boys in class B. Percentage of girls is the same in both classes. What percentage of the student group are boys? When reading the question, everything you will understand, but you don't start. That's what the good thing in this question. You may understand everything, but you are not able to solve the question. Solve, try, don't wait, try. Both classes, boys and girls, only there. The not given the question, I think you can understand that. Class A, boys and girls are there. Class B also, boys and girls are there. As per the question, number of girls in class A equal to number of boys in class B. Percentage of girls is same in both classes. Girls percentage is girls out of total in that class. Boys percentage is boys out of total in that class. Okay. You start doing current paper, then only you will get the answer. You see, you can see for next 10 minutes also. Percentages take that advantage. Assumption. Take class A 100, then class B will be, if class A is 100, class B will be 150. Okay. Here, girls in A section, boys in A section is 100. Girls in B section plus boys in B section is 150. Girls percentage is same in both. And number of girls in class A is equal to number of boys in class B. So that will give the idea if we replace this with girls in class A, no, GB plus GA, girls in B section plus girls in A section, together 150. Why? They said in class girls in classroom A is equal to number of boys in classroom B. I hope up to this are you clear? Okay. Class A, I assume that 100. B is 50% more. We take a 150. Hope it's clear. Then okay, this is girls plus boys in B section, girls plus boys in A section. I hope that is also clear. This one thing I replaced. In question they said girls in class A is equal to boys in class B. Right. Now they given in question girls percentage is same in both sections. So what is girls percentage in A? It must be equal to girls percentage in B section. Girls percentage in A section means girls in A out of total. What is total? 100. Into 100 also will come. Whereas girls in B section is B section girls out of total 150. Into 100 into 100 will get cancelled. Waste of time. Now what will be there? This is 52 times 53 times. So girls in A, girls in B is 2 is to 3. So girls are 40 and not 40, 50, right? 50 into 3. So 60 and 90 are the girls. 60 is girls in A section, 90 is girls in B section. How you decide it, sir? 2 is to 3, right? What is 2 plus 3? But I want 150. 5 related to 150 means multiply 30. So 2 into 30, 60, 3 into 30, 90. So girls in A section 60, girls in B section 90. This question seems very easy, but okay, when you solve, no, it will take time. So a lot of people not started as well. So A is 100, B is 150, then they given an equation. We developed one thing relating both together 150, and they have given relationship indirectly. Girls percentage in A section, boy girls percentage in B section. That percentage is same. Means girls out of total into 100. Here girls in B section out of total into 100. That anyhow get cancelled based on time. So girls and A and B is 2 is to 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. I want 150 means multiply by 30. Okay, then what is the boy strength now? Total 250, right? 100 plus 150, 250. Girls taken 150. Boys is how much? Actually, I think this is where directly we can solve instead of all this stuff also. Here itself, girls is 150 we got. Then boys is 100. Total strength to both together is 250. Among 250, 100 members are boys. I think we can do directly that also. See, directly we can attack this question actually. Because girls strength 150. Both sections together 150. Then both sections together boys are 100. So 100 out of both sections 250. What is that percentage? That is what the question, right? What percentage of the student group are boys? So in these two groups, A plus B together 250. Girls 150, you know already. No need of solving this also. Boys are 100. What is boys percentage is 100 out of 250 into, so which is 40 percentage. 40 percentage are nothing but boys. Maybe if they ask what is boys in A, then this approach is required. Girls in A is 60, boys in A will be 40, 40%. Girls in B 90, boys in B is 60 because 150 required. So 60 out of 150, that also calculations anything correct only. Any mistake? 100, 150, 250. Girls 150 gone. Boys are 100. Fine. So any doubts from your end so far, please? These are all questions related to quant. Can anyone say answer for this? One opposite is what? One opposite number is what? Question, one opposite face is what? One opposite. 4, 5. Okay, listen, I'll give simple trick. Listen. Is there anything common in these two? Any number is common in these two. If one number common, no. From there you write clockwise. After 3 clockwise, what will come? 2 and 1. Here clockwise 4, 5. Then 2 and 4 are opposite, 1 and 5 are opposite. That's it. Simple logic is that. Take the common thing, right from that clockwise. If you rotate also, all those will come to that place only. Don't do all those stories. Easy is this. Sir, I have a doubt. Check last two also. In last two, what is common? Right? 5 clockwise. 3, 4. Next one. 5, 6, 2. Listen. Listen, how many opposite pairs are there is? Your top and bottom, your front and back, your left and right. How many? Three opposite pairs. You already 2 and 4. 1 and 5. One, two, three, four, five, six, right? Two and four, one and five are opposite. What are the remaining numbers? That must be opposite. No other group. Right? Now you can check with this also. Here, what is opposite? 3 and 6 are opposite, yes. 2 opposite, 4 or 4 opposite. What are the remaining two numbers? That must be opposite. This is one logic. One, see, this is applicable only when one common side. If two common side is there, that's a different approach. There are three methods actually. This is method 3. Okay, there are two more methods. This is method 3 is applicable only when one common side is there. Still 2 minutes is there. 413 is that, so 4:30. So 2 minutes, two questions will go for 25 minutes. Right, so 425, 48, 72. Let's challenge. If you give the answer, we'll stop for this question. What's the answer? 425, 48, 72, 213, 240. What is the number coming next? 425, 48, 72, 230, 240. What is the next one? Main focus for Veda IIT is quant only, but safe side I am discussing very few questions from reasoning in safe side. Answer now. No answers. 425, 48, 72, 230, 240. Sir, question misses, sir. Wrong question, sir. 72, 230 in between question mark required, sir. Okay, whatever you may think, what's the answer for this question? Yeah, you put question mark below, it's your wish. Okay, you do. What's the answer for this? 425, 48, 72. You are all done with the number series. With this question, we'll close. Okay. Sir, difference 21, sir. Difference 23, sir. Some people saying difference 24, sir. But there is a jump. Here difference is 27, sir. One number missing, so that is in between, sir. Okay. If I put 25 also, no? What's that number? Or is it into 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 3? Is there anything that logic they have added? Check once.